friends! Today we're going to learn how to draw and color an ice lolly, or Ghiacciolo in Italian. We will also learn colors. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Amy. Let's draw together this very easy ice lolly, or popsicle. First of all, let's do an upside down U shape. Great! Now let's connect the two bottom lines with a straight line. Now let's draw the part that we hold, and this is another U shape. It's very hot, so let's draw some of the ice lolly melting. It looks like a wavy shape. Let's give it some eyes and eyelashes. I'm using a thinner marker for this part. 1, 2, and a smiley face. Let's do 2 cheeks, two oval shapes for the cheeks. Now let's draw some sugary sprinkles. You can draw as many as you like, and remember, if I go too fast, you can pause the video. I hope you're having fun.
Let's color!
Before we color, let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Get set,
Let's speed this part up.
Let's play a game, a happy sound. Time to get up and jump around.
The first color I'm using is lilac,
like a bouncy ball.
or as we say in Italian,
Higher and higher,
lilac. I'm using lilac, but you can use any color you like. I'm also using markers, but you can use paints, crayons, coloring pencils, whatever art supplies you have. We're nearly finished. Great! This color is beige, and in Italian we say beige too. Let's color the cheeks red, or rosso. Now to color in the sprinkles, I'm going to start with yellow. In Italian, giallo. Now I'm going to use green, or verde. And lastly, light blue, azzurro. Great job!
Let's learn colors together. This color is lilac. Can you say lilac? Great. Let's say it again. Lilac. Lilac in Italian is lilla. Let's say it again. Lilla. Ottimo! This is a lilac bow. Questo è un fiocco lilla. This color is beige. Can you say beige? Great! Let's say it again. Beige. Beige in Italian is also beige. Let's say it again. Beige. Ottimo! This is a beige biscuit. Questo è un biscotto beige. This color is red. Can you say red? Great! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Ottimo! This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Perfetto! This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. This color is green. Can you say green? Great! Let's say it again. Green. Green in Italian is verde. Let's say it again. Verde. Perfetto! This is a green tree. Questo è un albero verde. Let's see what the next color is. This color is light blue. Can you say light blue? Great! Let's say it again. Light blue. Light blue in Italian is azzurro. Let's say it again. Azzurro. Perfetto! This is a light blue whale. Questa è una balena azzurro. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!